Is beef protein. So it's basically protein powder made out of beef. Other stuff's made out of whey, like lactose and stuff like that. This is made out of beef. Each one of these servings is about 23 grams of protein. It's got added BCAAs, branched chain amino acids. It's got 28 servings per bottle. I got the vanilla caramel. Now, the one thing I noticed about this, you're gonna notice if I open this up, it's very, very fine. I don't know if that's because it's beef, but if you look inside there, it's like a very, very fine, it's a different consistency than the stuff that's made out of whey protein. Not good, not bad, but you know, it just is what it is. The taste is completely fine. I got the vanilla caramel, like I said, it tastes fine. 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, which I was very surprised because it's made out of beef, but 0 cholesterol, 0 sugar, and 0 gluten, and 0 lactose, 0 fat. So pretty good, high quality protein powder. I think it tastes good. I just wanted to make a video, kind of show you what it looks like, because it definitely looks different than other protein powders. And it's very like poofy. So you can actually see it's actually like leaving the bottle there. But yeah, I like it.